Hello and welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. Today, we'll be learning how to change your Namecheap account password. To do so, keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you never miss another update from us. To change your Namecheap account's password, first, make sure you're signed into your account. Go to your web browser and type in www.namecheap.com. After you're signed into your account, click on your name and select Profile. Under Profile, go to Security and give it a click. Under Security, you'll be able to see your password. In order to change your password, click on Edit. From the pop-up, enter your new password. Make sure to type in a strong password for your account. Move on to the next field where you can enter your password one more time to confirm that it is being typed in correct. If the password matches, you are good to go. Now, finally, enter the old password that you used for your Namecheap and click on Save Changes. With this, you have successfully changed your Namecheap account's password. That is how you can help keep your account secure by changing your password if you are worried that someone else might know your password and things like that. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was in any kind of a way, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.